Kuliah benar saya akan video tangan solve ya question paper jongka fireman category. This is series A, QA ka series B ne QA series. Tapi filaban shu page question ki shuffle question rek di juhi. Total mark di spa question dan spa tanpo. Okay, so part 1 English grammar and usage. Fortunate, kedaikannya select the word opposite in meaning. This unfortunate, comfort, the discomfort, eligible, the illegible, A, okay, and for comments, that is stop, fatal, this is lively, fun. For this one, I don't know for this one. Marbe kane kaju ngawat ke kamyo deadly rom day, mortal rom day, good rom day, lightly rom day. Ta kaju berkata tengam tip. Maybe it's the wrong question. No. The 7 5 kali collaborate is D, collaborate. Question number 8 earn kali gain win quite the lose, B, lose, necessary. Correct answer is B, unnecessary. Then opposite of quiet, it is loud, B is the correct answer. For question 11 20, select the word similar in meaning. Famous, this is renowned. Famous, renowned, yeah. And dangerous, it is hazardous. Feign, pretend. Wow is A, promise. Build is mean to construct, is A, construct. Genuine means pure. Timid is coward. Novice is beginners. Novice is beginners. 19 veteran the old, C is correct answer. Infant is newborn, A is the correct answer. For question 21 to 30, select a suitable word. No sooner did she arrive than they start laughing. Is it me you wish to see? B, the wolf have always has a notorious reputation of being ruthless predators. 23 24, do you have any book focusing this word? B is the correct answer. 25, they dash learning a new language next semester. C is the correct answer, will be. 26, he, C is the correct answer, has been studying this school since 2005. C. 27, one who tries may fail, but one who does not try never succeed. A is the correct answer. 28, the trouser reduce the length. D is the correct answer, reduce the length please. Every rash driver becomes a reckless killer. 10 kilometer, A is the correct answer, is a long distance. Question 31 to 35, substitute one word. Person who sell medicine, this is chemist. Fishmonger, A, if you sell fish. Anonymous is A, answer. Unknown authors. Who sells spectacles, this answer is optometrist. C is the correct answer. One who doesn't know how to read and write is D, illiterate. 35, 36, 36, 40, each sentence whether there is any grammatical mistake. Okay, in this question number 36 to 40, I'm not some of the question I'm not sure, but I'll try to solve. The patient lodged complaints against the doctor for its negligence. Now this is, I think D is the correct answer. Arun's father has been ill since last year, has spent his entire saving on his treatment. Okay, this is also D, I'm not sure. The party was without power, this is B. 39, the views, I'll take as A. And 40, this one is number 8 is also A is the correct answer. And 41 to 45, one of the three words given each choice question may be wrongly spelled. Okay, 41, demon, demon, devour, all are correct. 41, D is the correct answer. 42, malignant, magnificent, benign, it's also all are correct. D is the correct. 43, convoy, convey, collude, this also all are correct. 43, all are correct. 44, whoever, however, hovercraft, these also all are correct. 45, imminence, imminence, immanent, these all are correct. 46, the car flew, dash the cliff, the car flew off the cliffs. Okay. 47, the train chocked into the station slowly. 48, my child held my arm firmly, this is an adverb, A is the correct answer. 49, she ought to respect your senior. For this one also, 49 and 50, I'll take as D, none of the above. 50, Mota said, I keep the key here. For this answer is A, Mota said that she kept the key there. Okay, 50, then part 2, mathematics. 51, correct answer of 51 is B, 0.008. 52, what is the average mean of number 2, 4, 5, 0, 9, 10 and 12? This one is 6. And question number 53, in the investment 5 lakh, B share 20%, A share 40%, B, what is the share of A? This is 40,000. D, if the cost of x is 40, what will the cost of 3x is also 10. 10 is the correct answer. 55, the sum of three consecutive number is 78. What is the largest number? This also wrong question. Wrong question. 56, square root of 900 is 30. 3 into 3, 9. Okay, 30. 56 is 30. 57, what is the sum of the number 1, 2, 3, 900? It is B, 50, 50. What is the average of numbers 2, 6, 0, 10? The average of this is B, 7. B, 7 is the correct answer. 58, 58, 59, 59. If the cost of 5 bars of soup is 82.50, what will be the cost of 1 dozen such bars? And this one is 198 is the correct answer. 60, in which school there are 420 boys and 120 girls? Find the ratio of boys to girls. This is the wrong question, so there's no correct answer here, because the answer should be 420, because boys is 420 and girls 180, so 0 into 0 cancel, so 2 into 9, 18, 2 to 4, 2 to 1. License like and die, license you are away. Then it should be 7 by 3. 7 is to 3, but there's no 7 is to 3. As we are. The license your way, license like and die. Yeah, correct. 7 by 3 should be 7 by 3, but there are no, so it should be a wrong. This also wrong. Which of the following is a prime? Prime for this one, 2 is also prime, 3 is also prime, 2 all with above. D is the correct answer. 62, the population of the town has increased 5% year. Last year's population was 20320. What is the present population of the town? This one is this 21336. Mr. Mehta had rupees 60,000. Out of this money, he gave 20% is dollar, 25% is son, 30% is wife, and the rest he donated to charitable trust. How much did he donate? This is 9,000 is the correct answer. A real journey of 500 km costs 260. How much will the journey of 80 km cost? Just 250. B is the correct answer. The monthly income of Ram is 5,000, 6,000, 5,000, 5,000. Respectively, what is the average income? Just divide by line. This is 1. A is the correct answer. 533.3. A is the correct answer. 6. A 15 box containing 108 pens. How many such boxes will be needed for 1800 pens? This is 25 box. B is the correct answer. Question number 67. The weight of 65 book is 13 kg. How many books will weigh 32 kg? This question answer is A, 160, because this will come as 65 into 32 divided by 13. So if you divide and cancel this, you will get as 160 is the correct answer. So 1 has been reduced from 25 per kg to 31.50 per kg, and the reduction percentage in this price can contain 10%. 69. 18 men, 20 days to complete the job. Working to find number that man will take to complete the job. Working 9 hours. This is 32. 32, this one. 2 is the correct answer. 32 is the correct answer. The price of milk rises from rupees 40% to 43 liter. Find the percentage each increase price of milk. This is D, 8%. D, 8%. Man cycle at 12 km per hour. How much distance does he cover in 35 minutes? How much distance does he cover in 35 minutes? 12 km per hour. How much distance is 7 km. 72. A car covers the same distance in 40 minutes if it runs at 45 to 4 km per hour. How much time will it take to cover the same distance at speed of 45 km per hour? This one is 48 minutes. 48 minutes. 48 minutes. D, 48 minutes. 72. 73. David divides this one 167. C, 167. A train covers 24. A train covers 35 km in 25 minutes. What is the speed of train in km per hour? 85. Oh no, it's not 85. This is 84 km per hour. Yes, 84 is the correct answer. What is the length of 60% is 36 centimeter. This is 2.225 meter is the correct answer. And 75, and part 3 is basic elementary science. 76. When you immerse a stick into a glass beaker filled with water, the stick looks bent due to, this is I think refraction. 2 only. What is the main source of heat and light occurring in nature? It is sun. And 78, which of these is the correct? These are 1 and 2, both are correct. 79, all fluids in water because oil is in water. This is 2. 2 when this water and oil are immiscible. Yes, 2 only. 2 only. The safety fuse wire used in domestic electrical appliances made of metal of low melting point. 81. A light candle gets extinguished when covered with tumbler because of inadequate supplies of air. Which gas is used to fill air balloon? This is helium. E. 82. Then 83. The dice shape, streamline shape body of fish helps swimming in water. The first metal used by man was copper. The most abundant metal on the Earth's crust is aluminum. Most abundant is aluminum. Which gas does not support burning? None of the above. Metals are all the above. Which of the following is not a wireless data region? None of the above. D. 89. Bloods can tell all of the above. Ignition temperature is temperature which is the substance catches fire. A is the correct answer. Then 91. Presence of cadmium in cool reduce commercial luminous cadmium. Dash help in production of plant and process photosynthesis chlorophyll. Rose is hydrated iron oxide. A. 93. 93, 94. Fuel which do not leave any residues in burnings are LPG and CNG. This is D, LPG and CNG. The compound used in anti-malarial drug is chloroquine. 95. Which of the following is known as lockjaw disease? 96 is tetanus. The most important requirement for people of fluid heat area are inoculation organs. C. 98. Upper part of the human intestine next to the stomach is called duodenum. 98. 99. Flowers colors are due to anthocyanins. What is known as complete food? Meal is known as a complete food. And the next says general knowledge, part 4, general knowledge. Google is A search engine, CD-ROM is A, B secondary memory, Bluetooth relates to short and wireless technology. 104. Meghalaya celebrated years statehood in 50 years of secretary of the state of Meghalaya is observed on 21st January. Meghalaya will celebrate 50 days statehood in 2022. The 12th chief minister of Meghalaya is Sri Conrad Sangma. McMahon line, this is A, India and China. 108. 109. The Greenwich time, GMT, this is C, United Kingdom. Greenhouse effect means this is B, trapping of solar energy. STEM black box is used most commonly in the, this is C, this flight recorder in an airplane. 112. Which of the following is called white gold? This is platinum, is called white gold. B. 113. Which of the following Indian state received sunrise first in the morning? C. Arunachal Pradesh. The teacher's day is observed on the birthday of which? Sir Radhakrishnan. And B. Which of the option was associated with Jallianwala Bagh tragedy? This is Brigadier General Dyer. C is the correct answer. 116. Dash destroy ozone layer, chlorofluorocarbon. 117. Summer solstice fall on June 21st. The southern tip of India is Cape Comorin, Kanyakumari. 119. How many seats are there in Meghalaya and Lok Sabha? Only 2 seats. Who was the first chief justice of Meghalaya? Aikoti Minakumari. Nompo is the sixth headquarters of Riboy. The newest district of Meghalaya is Eastern West Khasi Hill. Tiroksin was the symbol of Nonglau. Which of the state tree of Meghalaya? Gamari. B is the correct answer. 125. Which is the longest river in Meghalaya? Simsang. Highest altitude cash crop in Meghalaya is potato. B. Cherry blossom tree in Meghalaya during season autumn. The Sikh police chief is called as SP, Superintendent of Police. Children's Days of celebrate to commemorate the birthday of Chacha Nehru. Which type of extinguisher is used for petroleum fire? This is A, foam type. How many seats does Meghalaya have in the Rajya Sabha? This is only 1. Meghalaya legislature has how many members? This is 16. RuPaul. 133. How many autonomous districts are there in Meghalaya? 3. 3 autonomous districts. 134. Some of the harvest festival in India. This is all of the above. All are the harvest festival in India. At present, BrahMos missiles are assembled at Hyderabad. What is the height of Shillong Peak above the mean sea level? This 1966. Bermuda Triangle is located in which ocean? This is Atlantic Ocean. Which is the largest tropical rainforest in the world? Is Amazon. A. Who is the first man to go to space? It's B. Yuri Gagarin. First man to go to space. 140. Lovlina Borgohain won bronze medal in Tokyo Olympic 2021 is boxing. Ravi Kumar Dahiya won silver medal in Tokyo Summer Olympic 2021 is wrestling. SARS-CoV-2 causes COVID-19. 142. 143. Entamoeba causes amoebiasis, commonly known as dysentery. Swine flu is caused by virus. Stress blood group is AB negative. NDPS Acts 1985. This narcotic drug. A. How many constituencies by election was held between the month of October 2021? This 3. Inheritance of property in lineage of children in Meghalaya runs through matrilineal system. Dinosaur bone found in which district of Meghalaya? This West Khasi Hill. CA stands for Citizenship Amendment Act. 50. Okay, that's all, and thank you.